everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the buffering issue in Clipchamp. So let's get started. First you have to open clipchamp.com and sign it and choose continue with Microsoft. Now you have to pick your usual account and open your project in dashboard. Once you are in your project, you will see left side your all media files. Ensure that all media files are fully uploaded. If any file didn't upload it properly, delete it and re-upload it because incomplete uploads is equal to buffering. Now, on the top right side, you will find the export option. Just drop down the menu and you have to select the 1080p quality because high quality doesn't face any kind of buffering. Just select it and export the video. Still you are facing the buffering issue, you have to check your internet connection. And that's it, you have successfully solved the buffering issue in your clip chat. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.